Hey everyone, today we're doing chicken wings brined in pickle juice. Yes, yummy. And they're good, they're crispy. Today we are going to do some chicken wings. And there he is again, y'all. He's here still. Anyway, so I brined these. I had an idea. So this guy here, several years ago, did some fish. He did a fish fry, and he marinated or brined his fish.
I soaked them.
Soaked them, whatever you want to call it.
Carry on.
In pickle juice. After you eat the pickles?
Dill pickle.
Keep the juice. Yeah, dill pickles. Keep the juice. And I thought, well, let's try it with the chicken wings. So these have been brining in the leftover pickle juice for about 24 hours. So now they're out. This accounts for the kind of green color that we have. So we're going to pat them dry, make sure they're nice and dry, because dry is the enemy of crispy.
Dry is the enemy of crispy, or wet is the enemy of crispy?
Oh, right, my bad.
I corrected her. We're good.
He did. Wet is the enemy of crispy. We want to dry.
Don't squeeze my chicken. Hey, speaking of chicken, I learned something tonight.
What? What did you learn?
I learned that a chicken poops out of the same hole it lays a egg out of. And my brother-in-law says it's called a unihole. I'm not sure if that's true or not. Just going by what my brother-in-law said. So chickens have uniholes. Which is...
Technically, they're called cloacas.
I call them uniholes, wouldn't you? That's just one hole. Not unihole.
I'm so sorry.
Anyway, carry on.
I'm so sorry. Between my husband and my brother, I don't stand a chance. I need y'all's help. Come rescue me.
Now.
Will you get me the flippers?
What?
The tongs.
Oh, okay.
So now we're going to flip these and dry them off on the other side.
Yep, that's
Because
what you're gonna do.
Wet is the enemy of crispy. So y'all just come on back. We'll get this done. Okay, so I have done these wings before with just the baking powder and the salt. And I'm going to be honest, when they came off the smoker, they were fine. They were real good, just like that. But tonight, I want to try using a little of this seasoning here
Chicken
from
big branch.
There'll be bleeps to follow. So we're going to do half of them with some of the seasoning in the bag and the other half with not. So
I guess you're doing the half with the seasoning.
I'm doing the half with the
This
seasoning.
is my bag and it ain't got no seasoning in it.
Well, we can switch it.
No, I don't want you to leave my bag alone. You're touching my bag.
Somebody's awfully touchy about his bag. Okay. I'm not going to put a whole lot because we put some salt in. There's salt in this.
Half of those are mine, right?
And salt in the pickle juice. I'm trying to ignore. Yes,
Which half?
that
How
half.
can you be that half?
I don't care.
Oh, okay. I was just asking. Thought maybe there's a reason.
So, well, that's your problem.
Those two are yours. You're on your side.
Okay. All right, so now we're going to zip these up.
I got filled up on the bottom.
And toss them around. He likes to beat his bag.
I like to beat my meat.
Well,
Chicken, with a unihole.
no, he did not. Okay, so
Mine's all good and done.
mine is too. So y'all come back and we will get them ready to put on the smoker. We got the chicken wings on a rack. We're gonna set them over here. Don't
am I
you
ready to set them over here?
Oh.
Okay, carry on.
And we're gonna do them at
That's good.
250
One second.
for 30 minutes. And then we're gonna crank it up. We're gonna flip them, and then we're gonna crank it up to 425. So we have taken some of these wings off the smoker. So which one is seasoned?
That one looks like it's got seasoning on it.
Okay. It's hot, hot, hot. Which one's not?
I don't know. That one looks like it's not. I'll try it.
Okay. I got a flat here. We're going to try. Oh my.
Good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Real good. Let me try a flat one.
That dill pepper, dill pepper.
Dill pepper? Is that a thing?
Maybe.
Just check it.
The dill pickle brine. So good.
I came up with that.
You did start it with the fish. Yum yum.
Chicken wings. We'll add some sauce when we want some, and
If we want
if we
some.
want some, but I may not want none.
I may not either. These are real good, just
like
on
they
their
are.
own.
Just like they are.
So, chicken wings for the win.
Yep.
Dill pepper.
Dill pickle
Pickle.
juice chicken wings.
Dill pickle, marinated, brined, whatever.
So,
Chicken wings for the win.
yep.
Yum! Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We want to hear from you. See the description below for details and helpful links to what we covered today. Hit that notification bell so you are alerted when we publish new videos. Check out our website at motherofsmoke.com for the latest things we are working on. Have a blessed day and keep smoking.